video. Today we have special buy of the day, today only. Obviously the timer right there. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing, likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we got some lifts here. Quick jack, 5,000 pound, 1349. You got a 7,000 pound, 14. This one's a pretty good deal. You can lift a heavier vehicle. 1439. You got a motorcycle lift 426. You got a 7,000 pound here quick jack, $1,400. You got a 5,000 pound here with some accessories, I guess. 1,232. You got a 10,000 pound capacity lift, a 2-post lift, 3,225. These are real nice. I wish I have enough space to buy one of these. That would be nice. 1,000 pound capacity, 3,230. All right, you got a 22-piece cooling system pressure testing kit, 179. You got a power build 23-piece ball joint U-joint service kit, 192. You got Alta Maxi Die, 246. This is a good brand here. Alta is a great brand. You got smartphone vehicle diagnosis, $46. I guess you can maybe Bluetooth or something. Download an app to your phone. 20-ton bottle jack, $55.99. You got a 12-ton bottle jack, $88. You got a 20-ton bottle jack. Oh, this thing's huge, $46.99. You got a Smart Tech Power Tech 500p vehicle jump starter power pack. And then you got an inflator, I guess, $99.99. Smart Tech products, 12-volt shelf automatic battery, looks like a charger, $79.99. Got a charger and jump starter, I think, $109. And then you got a jump starter station, $109. You got a 6,000 mAh jump starter, $29.99. You got a 10,000 mAh jump starter, $49.99. Obviously, you want to get on these. You want to get the bigger ones, especially if you have bigger B8s. You got a Smart Tech 8,000 lumen rechargeable flashlight, 10,000. I don't know what's this, MA probably or something like that. $89.99. You got a 6,000. These are all sold out already. All right, you got some tools. All right, you got a 5-tool combo kit, 1.5 amp hour battery, $139. It's pretty good deal for the DIY, strictly for the house. No pro level here. Octane brushless 7 1/4 circ saw, $199. You got an Octane cordless jigsaw kit, $169. You got a router kit, $149. Got an angle grinder kit, $139. It's a pretty good deal. Got subcompact brushless impact driver kit with a 2.0, $159. You got an impact wrench, 3/8, $199. You got a portable fan. I have this fan. Definitely recommend it for you guys, $99. With this, you know what, guys? This is not the greatest deal because you guys could get the buy one get one free with a 2.4 amp hour batteries or charger, and one of these for $99. So, not the best deal ever on that. Got a 1/2 inch drill driver kit, a 1/2 inch battery, or yeah, 1.5 amp hour, two 1.5s, $99. Not the greatest deals there. You got a brushless hammer drill with 2 batteries, $199. This is the newer one. The rigid 1/2 inch drill driver kit, $109. You got a 900 CFM mower blower or mover blower utility floor fan, $89. You got an Octane one-handed reciprocating saw, $159. You got a drywall cut tool, $99. You got a sander, 99. You got a adhesive gun kit, 119. You got a cordless auger snake drain cleaner, 229. It's a pretty good deal. Oh, this is the one I want here. This is the Air Snake, 458. I don't think it's on sale. It's just, oh yeah, because they give you these batteries. That's why it's on sale. So that's a good deal. It's probably the lowest we've seen these, because these never go on sale. What this is basically you put it over the drain. You got all different types of accessories here. Put it over the drains. Instead of sending a snake in through the drain, it'll just send air, compressed air, and it'll just blow through it. This work really good on smaller drains, smaller plugs. Got some hand tools. You got a DeWalt 1/4 inch, 3/8 1/2 inch drive polish mechanics set, 149. You got a gear wrench, 3/8 drive long length hex bit socket set, 7 piece, $39.97. You got a Husky Mechanics 815 piece, just under $1,000. You got a gear wrench, 1/4 inch, 3/8 1/2 inch 6 drive 6 point start, 129. You got a Husky 1/4 inch 3/8 72 tooth ratchet mechanics tool set, $44.97. You got a Cat backpack 31 pocket Pro, $115. You got a 31 pocket in black, plain black, $81.87. And then you got a 16 pocket, $66. You got a Cat 16 inch 18 inch pocket Pro, tool bag black, $85. So the rest of the stuff is pretty much dehumidifiers and stuff for the house, appliances. Yeah, guys, definitely check it out if you're interested in some of these tools. Not a lot of tools, but mostly mechanics on this time. So definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make for to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one.